Guiding the viewer's eye. Let's talk about it on get side. What's up? So we're going to talk about guiding the viewer's eye. What? Ouch! Now let's talk basically about guiding the viewer's eye. Your audience is always looking at something, but great editors control what they look at. In this episode of the Video Editors Magazine, we're going to be learning how to guide the viewer's eye. Do you know the problem? When viewers don't know where to look, your story becomes weaker. The human eye naturally follows movement, brightness, contrast, faces, and sound. Now take a look at this video. I'm sure you don't know where to look right. And look at this how the eye behaves. Even your video doesn't have a clear point or focus. You're basically straining your eyes to find out what that scene is basically about. It is the fastest way to attract attention, even at the speed of light. Some of the things in these videos are things I've said over again. Lighting, bright area pulls attention, while darkness hides distractions. One color breaks the pattern, the eye notices that instantly. And from this frame, the most dominant color here is red. Though there are other colors in the frame, such as brown, tan, gold, but the most dominant is red. When you share a video, your things need to be like, what the fuck? Now to prevent that from happening, mix the water mixture in there, which are collectively called the chemistry of visuals. Our eye goes through a biological or chemical process to make us understand or interpret things the way we see them. Eyes and brain work together in amazing ways. As editors, we should use this knowledge to guide attention and create powerful visuals. While shooting or editing, low distractions are always sharpen importance. And that takes us to what? Guess. Composition. Where you place your subject changes how the viewer experiences your scene. How do you want viewers to watch your video when there's glitch, your audio bad, sound like a bad TV?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get.
Sometimes viewers hear the moment before they see it.
Tribe of Noise Music.
The use of sound effects. We have sound effects like riser. Everything is clean. For attention, nothing feels important. Clarity is better than complexity.